Hi guys, how's it going? Hope you're all well. If you are not a subscriber, my name is Alex and this is Marcela. And we live in this van with our dogs. So this is just a little catch-up video really to tell you a bit about what's going on, because we've been a little slow on getting the videos out at the moment, recently. Pretty much all summer actually, it's been a bit slow. The main reason for that is what?
The main reason is because we're having a good time.
So we've been a bit slow getting the videos out this summer, which is due to a few reasons really. One is that we're writing another ebook, well 2 ebooks, and they're going to be on something we get asked about a lot, which is how we afford this lifestyle, how we afford to, how we make money on the road. So one of those books is going to be like generally how we make money on the road, and then the other one is going to be more focused on purely making money remotely. And they're going to be out before Christmas. They're going to be out before August. So what news do we have? Well, we've got a new puppy. This is Sen. She's a little Belgian Malinois, and for those of you that follow us on Instagram, you would already know about her. For those of you that don't follow us on Instagram, hello. So anyway, yeah, this is Sen, Zeus's new buddy, and she's a cool little girl. Started raining again. We were going to spend the winter in Tenerife here, but
it started to rain.
It started to rain. Marcela, well, it took like the dogs to come in muddy once, and Marcela was having none of that, which is, you know, muddy dogs, not good. We decided we'd go in the Alps to do the season in the Alps again.
It's set off in a few days.
Yes. So about that, going to the Alps is going to give us an opportunity to make some more videos, obviously, but I'd like you guys to maybe tell us any sort of videos you'd like us to make, anything you'd want to know about. I'm assuming like winter van life is going to be something that's going to come up, but any specific videos. And talking about video content, we are going to be bringing a couple of new features to the channel. I haven't told you about this. Just things like we're going to start doing like replying to comments videos, because we get some interesting comments to say the least. And then maybe if a few of those videos go well, we'll do some replying to comments videos live. To be honest, this summer in Tenerife I did have planned to get a lot more like kite surfing footage done, and a real nice video about Tenerife itself as well. But I just literally didn't get around to it. Got stuck into we had a few things to deal with the van and everything else. But mainly I was editing cooking videos. 50,000 subscribers, like thank you ever so much to everybody who subscribes. Thank you for everybody who watches our videos, shares our videos and comments and likes them, even dislikes them. Thank you so much for that, because it's been a real milestone to get to 50,000 subs. And in fact, I just reminded myself, I said once I get to 50,000 subs, I was gonna
start a new YouTube channel.
A new YouTube channel, yeah, which was gonna be all Snapchat stories, but I don't even use Snapchat anymore. Oh well, all Instagram stories just put into like raw videos and upload onto YouTube. Not sure if I'm gonna do that now, actually, to be honest. What do you guys think? Would you like to see that or not? I don't think it's really that appealing, is it? Ooh, we're also thinking that January we're going to do, I don't even know what it's called, but I think it's called like vlog-annuary or something like that, or but I think there's this thing where you do a daily vlog for January, every day of January as a challenge. So I'm thinking about doing that, because I've tried to do it once when we were in Wales, when I was in Wales, and it was hard. But I'd like to give it a go again, especially now you're here. We could do like, I could do one day, you could do one day. Would you like to see that? Would you like to see a daily vlog in January?
As Alex has mentioned before, we are finishing up our books, but if any of you guys already is a digital nomad and would like to be perhaps featured in our ebook, maybe drop us a message or leave us a comment, and we'll get in touch with you and we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, so that's everything. Just a quick little catch-up video, a little thank you video, a little bit of what's to come. Subscribe to see everything that's coming up, and give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. More importantly, leave us a comment. We love engaging with you. Let's see what you guys think. Bye. Subscribe if you want to see more. Burp. Sorry.
Okay.
It comes out. 50,000 subs is amazing, and I am well chuffed. And Marcella is a little bit chuffed.
I know. Stop making me.
You're like, oh yeah.